Oh, here they come.
Many thanks for picking me up, Stan. I couldn't walk far with my Varun car.
Surprise!
We thought we'd throw you a welcome home party, Stan.
We've even written a special song.
Home is a better place, with friends around to share. Lift you up with a smiling face. When you're down, they're always there. And for us, the friends that matter are Stan and Little Red Tractor.
Little Red Tractor.
Oh, thanks, guys. You're more than welcome.
Glad you're here.
You know, we really are grateful for all the help you've given us, and we've come to say thank you for all you've done over the years.
It's been a pleasure.
How about another song about Stan and Little Red Tractor?
You know the one, guys?
Yep.
Let's go! Little Red Tractor, he's king of the field. Getting his jobs done with Stan at the wheel. He's not the biggest, but he's a hero. Little Red Tractor, woo! Let's go! Yeah!